So in the previous session we have seen about processing SOP, sum of products in K-maps, using K-maps. So now we will see how to process POS, product of sums, in K-maps. Okay. So here we are saying algebraic solution for this a plus b bar plus c bar, a plus b bar plus c, a plus b plus c bar. This we have solved algebraically. So now we will see how to simplify this using K-maps. Okay. So earlier while we are dealing with SOP, sum of products, we have considered ones wherever we have so let's say we have some set of terms like a b bar c plus a b c bar, a b c plus a b bar c kind of terms. Then we will fill the table, this K-map table. Let's say a b bar c. A b bar c is this. A b bar c. Then a b c bar. A b c bar. A b c. A b bar c. Okay. Let's say a bar b bar c. The table will come out like that. So we have filled the terms wherever the product becomes 1, because the term exists only when all these terms, let's say a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1, then only this term will exist. So at that location where a equal to 1, b equal to 1, c equal to 1, we have filled 1. That term exists. Whereas in this case, when we are dealing with POS, product of sums, this term exists if any one of these three terms is 1. Let's say if a is equal to 1, this term will become 1. If b bar is equal to 1, even if a is 0 or c bar is 0, this term will exist. Okay. So this term will become 0 only when all the constructed terms are zeros. If a is equal to 0, b bar is equal to 0, c bar is equal to 0, then only this term will become 0. In all other cases, this term will be 1. Okay. Whereas here, only when all the terms are 1, the term exists, otherwise the term will become 0. So we will consider the exclusive case where all the terms will become 1, and we have placed 1 here. Okay. So here in this case, ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే మనం ఎక్కడైతే అన్ని టర్మ్స్ 0 అవుతాయో అక్కడ 0 ఉంది. సో a plus b bar plus c bar, a is equal to 0, b bar is equal to 0 means a is 0, b is 1, c is 1. Then this term will become 0. So we have to place a 0 where this combination 0, 1, 1. Is 0. Next one, a b bar c. So this is 0, 1 and 0. So 0, 1, 0. Here are places. Next one, a plus b plus c bar. So this is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So these are the three terms we have. And this is how, I mean, these are the locations where the terms will become 0. And that happens only for one combination, and we will consider that combination and place zeros over there. Okay. So next one, if you want the result in sum of products format, we have to consider ones in the rest of the cases. Keep ones in the remaining boxes and simplify it. So what do you get? This is equal to A. All BC terms, this entire line will become 1 and I will be left with A. Next one is this. So A term will become 1 and I will be left with B bar and C bar. So this is the result in sum of products format. This we have arrived already. This result we have obtained already using algebraic method. And if you want the result in product of sums, the POS format, we have to simplify this. We have 3 terms, so we cannot make a set, a single set. We have to go for 2 sets. So one is this, another one is that. So what do you get? This is A bar. B term will be nullified and will be left with C. A bar plus C multiplied by A bar plus B. These two will be equal. To write the result in POS format, we have to process zeros. Okay. So what do you get here? A is 0, B. So from these two terms, B gets eliminated and we will be left with C. So A is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. When A is equal to 0 and C equal to 1, which term will give you 0? It is A plus C bar. A plus C bar will give you 0. A 0 and C, A 0 and C equal to 1, and we have to get 0 as a result. So when A is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1, we should get 0 as a result. So the term is A plus C bar. Next one, this combination. So here A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. So it is A plus B bar. So in total it is A plus C bar multiplied by A plus B bar, which is, if you use distributive law, it is A plus B bar C bar. So you have to write the combination where for these individual values the sum should be 0. So when A is equal to 0, C equal to 1, we have to generate a term You have to generate a summation which is equal to 0. So it is A plus C bar. Then it is A plus B bar. And finally, you have to write the result in POS format, product of sums.